Hi everyone, today I'll give a quick walkthrough of our platform. To get started, head over to the AI apps section either here or on the sidebar. This is where you'll find all of our tools in one dashboard. The first one is the AI image chat. You can edit images, create lifestyle visuals, and generate a wide range of content. Next is the AI product placement app, where you can work with reference images. Then we have the texture swap tool, which lets you change materials and colors on furniture or objects. You can also use our image upscaler to enhance quality and scale visuals up to 4K. In the second row, you'll find the background remover, perfect for creating clean silo images. You also have the option to let Mazing handle a project for you. Just share your input and we will take care of the execution. Then there's the AI video generator, which turns images into short 5-second videos, great for quick social media content. Next is the AI bulk app with a serial feature. You can upload up to 100 images, apply a master prompt, and then process them all at once, ideal for consistent product visuals. Finally, we also have the AI camera angle. This tool lets you change the perspective of furniture and objects. On the left side of our dashboard, you can also find our knowledge base with guides, tips, and best practices. And that's it, a quick overview to get you started with Mazing.